click on the customers option at the left side of the screen. You can then choose and click your existing customer to send the quote to. But if you don't have any customer yet, click on Add Customer button at the top right corner to add their name and email at the very least. After you open your customer details, then click on the three horizontal dots at the right side of the screen. Then select Create Quote option. And you can start to add which product of yours you want to be on the quote to your customer. After that, set the expiration date of your quote since the day it was sent to your customer. And you can actually convert the quote into an active subscription or a finalized invoice right away. So you can set up the day or the date of your product subscription to start charging the customer. Last but not least, add some memo, a header, and a footer to make it look more professional. After you are good, click on Finalize Quote button. This window will pop up and you want to click on Download PDF. There you go, you just made the quote on Stripe. You can send the PDF file straight to your customer, either by your email or any social media you use. If you want to convert the quote to become invoice or subscription, you may click on this button at the right side of your screen and start to customize your invoice or subscription. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.